Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Believe it or not, these cards are made from the Nature's Painting Kit, which means that this started off like this. And I painted those flowers to look so pretty. And I painted these as well. And then I mounted them. They come in they come in a booklet, two each of each design. And then there's even two blank ones at the back. And technically, if you don't care for the designs on some of them, they all come with a blank back, so you could do your own thing. But I painted mine. I've painted some palm fronds, some fall leaves, some pretty flowers, and some poinsettias. And any of those you could mount on your scrapbook page on a card base or whatever. But I just wanted to quickly go through kind of my process and various ways that you can paint. So this is the one I'm currently working on. And my current favorite color is actually the Berry Burst. So this kit comes with all the colored pencils that you need, and they are wonderful colored pencils. I am very much enjoying these. But I just wanted to try to quickly show you ways to color. So one might think that you color your image however you want, and then you use your colored pencils or your watercolor. So let's see what this looks like when I do this. So I have my water. So in order to start it, kind of squeeze it a little bit and rub it on my hand and make sure it's not gushing with water. And then I just take my water brush and try to follow the lines a little bit, but you can see I'm not terribly exact. But so this is what it looks like when you just color and then you color. And then if you were to try to emphasize certain parts of the flower, I like to color on the lines and then maybe a little more shadow on the edges, maybe a little bit more on the bottom, and then do some up here a little bit. So let's see if that makes any difference. So I'm gonna do the tops. And I'm gonna kind of go in the bottom here, and then I'll go up the side. And then kind of cut the stuff in the middle, go up the side, the stuff in the middle. So in my mind, this looks very different. The video doesn't show it very well, but this has got some shadow places and some light places. And then you can do the same thing in here. So I would think generally in a flower, the inside pieces would be the darkest, going up, and then you'd want to have some of the lines go. But I just love coloring with watercolor pencils and water because it is so easy. And it really doesn't even matter. If you think you can't do it, it's so easy and it looks so good. I am self-taught basically. I don't watch the videos about how to properly color things. I just kind of experiment and go from there. Okay, so I've got a pretty light section here, so I'm just gonna kind of do that, grab some color as I go by. And so this one's gonna be pretty light, but I'm okay with that. So as you get more color, so we added a lot of color down here. So this is gonna make the outside look quite different. And as you go, you pick up some color. And then we've got a little less here, so it'll be a little lighter to still. But I love how fast and easy coloring with your water brush is. And I just think it looks so pretty, even if you're not very good at it. And I can probably say I'm someone who's not very good at watercoloring. But I have been quite happy with everything that I have painted. There we go. See, there's a lot of texture and a lot of differences in the way, and we did it so fast. So thank you so much for watching, and I sure hope you give it a try because it's great. Happy crafting!